Erum here, and today I have a project to share featuring the Sunlit Flowers stamp set and the 36 pan watercolor set. This is the Sunlit Flowers stamp set. If you can't recall, it comes in the Sunlit Flowers Creativity Kit. I will heat emboss several flowers and leaves on watercolor paper. I'll use pure white embossing powder from Altenew to do this, and you can also use antique gold embossing powder. I'm sure that is going to look gorgeous with the colors I'll be using today. To color, I'll cover the image with water and then start adding yellow closer to the flower center, as in closer to the base of the petal. And I'll add crimson on the tips of the petals. I'll use the water brush to mix the two colors a bit. This is mindless watercoloring and super therapeutic, like most of my watercolor projects I share here. You can watch me watercolor or skip forward to the next step. Be back soon. Add a bit of texture, I'll add splatters of crimson watercolor onto the flowers. This is going to be super subtle, but it does add a little something to the flowers. I'll set this aside to dry and fussy cut them out. On spicy yogurt cardstock, I'll add splatters of brown and then of black watercolor. I'll adhere the sentiment, which is from the Candlelight Stamp Set. Then I'll start adhering the images on foam tape. I have more flowers than I need, but that is always good to have more than than to end up needing more in the end and then stamping and watercoloring them later on. So always stamp a few extra, and you can always make an extra tag or a clean and simple card. Okay, so my card is ready. I hope you liked the watercolor process and the project. Thank you for watching. Bye.